And the politics over Operation Sindoor refuses to die down. The war of words between BJP and the Congress continue to escalate. Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge has renewed the demand for a special parliament session on the operation. Kharge also slammed Prime Minister Modi, accusing him of delivering self-glorifying speeches over Operation Sindoor. But the Congress now faces an internal feud, as senior Congress leader Salman Khurshid, part of the anti-terror outreach, took a veiled dig, calling it distressing that people at home are calculating political allegiances, asking is it so difficult to be patriotic? BJP too hit back, accusing Congress of routinely questioning security forces and also crossing the limits in political desperation. With the Congress now isolating leaders like Shashi Tharoor, who praised the government's handling of Operation Sindoor, the big question remains, can the Congress party afford this public fallout?
कांग्रेस का धर्म है, उनको अपोजिशन के तरह व्यवहार करना चाहिए, लेकिन ये इतने बड़े विषय में मैं मान के चलता हूं कि उनको गंभीरता रखना चाहिए। मल्लिकार्जुन बहुत वरिष्ठ नेता है कांग्रेस के। हम सब जानते हैं कि यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री के नेतृत्व में जिस प्रकार से पाकिस्तान के साथ जो हमारी सेना ने संघर्ष करके विजय प्राप्त की है और जितने प्रकार की बातें की, अब सर्वदलीय जब हमने टीमें भेजी है तो ऐसे में स्वाभाविक रूप से अपेक्षा करते हैं कि वो इस सब गरिमा से बोले जिसमें देश का मान बढ़े, सम्मान बढ़े।
Mr. Salman Khurshid's tweet only reflects how the Congress party has been repeatedly fault-finding patriotism and nitpicking on nationalism, and now the Congress party is sounding like the 12th man of Pakistan. I reiterate, Salman Khurshid's tweet only shows how the unpatriotic Congress party is now sounding like the 12th man for Pakistan.
People keep saying, what are you doing in a delegation where there are people from the BJP? What are you doing there? Now, what are we doing here? We are doing here is what is needed for the country. No matter which party you're from, today what is needed is a single voice to speak in favor of the nation. And that's what we are doing here. And I think when I say, is it so difficult to be a patriot? That's the question that has to be asked of those who are putting out tweets and saying things that I believe are not very encouraging when you want to do something for the nation.
मौजूदा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री विपक्ष की बैठक बुलाते हैं, लेकिन उसमें स्वयं उपस्थित नहीं होते। क्यों इतना ये अपने आप को, उनकी जो जिम्मेदारी है उससे वो क्यों अलग होते हैं? और जहाँ तक जब युद्ध होता है तो दोनों पक्षों को नुकसान तो होता ही है। यदि राहुल जी ने पूछ लिया कि हमको कितना नुकसान हुआ है, इसमें क्या आपत्ति है?